Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Kimberly and today we'll be teaching you how to merge layers in Adobe Illustrator. Merging layers in Adobe Illustrator is fairly simple. It shouldn't take very long to explain. I will show you the reason why you may not find the merge selection option, but other than that, I'm going to leave it very quick, very simple. If ever you feel that I am going too fast, though, feel free to pause the video. You will see all of my keystrokes at the bottom of the layers panel. Without further ado, let's get this started. So as you can see right now, I have already my 4 layers set up. I made these little circles for fun. Merging layers in Adobe Illustrator is the same principle as any other Adobe software. You click the first layer, Shift if you want to select all the layers from one point to another. So let's say I click layer 1, 2, and then shift to layer 4. I'm going to select everything. If I want to merge layer 1 with only layer 4, I'm going to select layer 1, Control, and then select layer 4. Where is the merge option, you say? Well, a lot of Adobe panels have this little hamburger menu at the top. You're going to find a lot of options in here. And which one is here? It's a merge selected. Simply click on merge selected and layer 1 and layer 4 are now 1. Now, where does the troubleshooting start? I'll show you. Since these are shapes and this is a vector program, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are kind of handled differently when it comes to that. When you're in Illustrator, you're working with shapes and vector art, while in Photoshop, you're working with pictures and effects. You're doing photo manipulation and so forth. So merging layers becomes very important in that aspect. You can merge layers together, making a new image from everything that you've done and so forth. Well, in Adobe Illustrator, most of the times your layers represent certain aspect of your artwork. Let's say you're going to get a shirt printed and your design is in Illustrator. Well, your colors are going to be on different layers. There's no real need to merge layers in Adobe Illustrator. There are many other tools that you can use to merge parts together. There's the shape builder tool, there's the pathfinder, but if you really want this, one of the problems that can arise is that you have all of your shapes selected. If these little squares at the end of your layers are lit up and you try to merge them this way, it's going to be grayed out because you're not selecting the layers themselves, you're selecting the sub layers, which are the objects. So very important to remember this. There is also flatten outwork, but that will be for another video. Right now it's really merge. So make sure that you unselect the objects and that you specifically select the layers. Once that's done, once again, you can go to merge selected. Simple. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be setting out a lot more of these videos to help you guys out in Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign in the upcoming future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.